4-3. Yeah, did he say that? Dodging bullets like it's nothing. A K-47. Damn, that sucks, dog. Freak! Yes, you killed me. The nade. I tried to run away and it didn't work. Please don't kill me while I'm on this. Look at this, bro. You always kill me while I'm dropping my trophy system down. It's so annoying, dog. Dude, I'm gonna flood you. I'm beating him 6-4 right now, full proof. Just in case he tries to pull a little funny little thing. This is Xbox Live. I'm gonna show you. I'm showing you that this is the Xbox. Cause he probably made my PSN on crap! Six to four. Let's go. I'm beating him 7-5. Nah. I'm showing you this is Xbox Live. I'm showing you this is Xbox Live current. What the? Oh my God! Woo! Woo! I'm beating him 8-6, right? 8-5 right now. There's only a minute left. Yeah, I do. I have kill streaks on. Yes, I do have them enabled. You just don't have them in your class. I have kill streaks on. I'm showing you right now. I have kill streaks on. Look it. You can see on the bottom right. You see it. Hold up. He's come. All right, I got him. But right here, he backed out. Easy. Pursuit. Backed out. I'm beating him 9-6. 54 seconds left. Showing that this is Xbox because he might try to go on PS3 and make my account because he has my account. I know him. He's a random. But Xbox Live, I just beat him. There was only 34 seconds left. 9-5. Easy. Yeah, I'm just going to end the game now. Thank you.